Friends, what is going on? As always, it is absolutely incredible to see you again. And of course, we have another big old box. This is a heavy box. We have a number of new prints that we're going to be reviewing here. Of course, these are coming from your questions about particular companies and so forth. Today, we're going to be cracking open. This is coming from Vivid Metal Prints, and this is out of North Carolina. This I'm really excited for because right in the front we have a big old Made in USA badge here. Fragile, take care of it. And it looks from the outside very well packed. Now let me share with you, actually we'll start cracking this thing open while I am talking and setting expectations, because many of you have been coming back and watching these videos over and over again. So you have a good idea, but what I'm going to speak now is for those that are new to the channel. So let me get you up to speed as far as what we're doing here. I'm going to be cracking open this box here, and we've been doing these open box, that makes sense, print reviews on metal prints, canvas prints, acrylic prints for the last 6 years. Now, the whole idea with this here is as I'm opening this, I'm going to share with you everything I like, dislike. You may agree, you may not. But ultimately, at the end of the day, you seeing everything about this print, you're going to have a good idea. If you go out there and decide to buy a print from Vivid Metal Prints, using this company as an example, you know exactly what your dollar's going to get you. So, with that said, all right, we have a big wad of bubble pops. You new to the channel, you may say, well, Alex, where do you get bubble pops from? It's funny, I was just talking about this. Back in 2021, my son came into where I was shooting a video for a print review, and he came in while I was shooting the video and ended up calling those. What are these, Caleb?
Poppets.
Yeah. Okay, and I've stuck with it since. All right, this is looking pretty good. Oh, one of the corners stuck inside of it as I was taking it off, so I want to make it clear. This is actually a very heavy box. I mean, that is a sturdy box there, friends. Okay, packaging is looking pretty awesome, and this is something new. I've seen plenty of companies wrapping the corners with foam, but this is usually like those, you know, those noodles, those little swimming noodles that you see kids playing with at the pools. This looks a lot more intentional, thicker, and more specific, like it's made for a print. It's very heavy duty. I'm going to guess it's probably about 3/4 of an inch thick there, and it's made for prints. Obviously, there's one on each corner. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, next we have, there's a bunch of stuff on the back here. Let's see what is so interesting. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll find out in a minute. Okay, I'm going to put this down here. Okay, so this is something different. Very interesting. This, you know what's funny? I mentioned a moment ago, I've been doing these print reviews for a better part of 6 years, and for the most part, I've seen most of what companies are going to put in this. There's something new here I've not seen before. I'm going to try to get this off without, this is taped around our mounting hardware there. Okay, let me get this off of here so it looks good. Okay. All right, put this right over here. So, before we flip this over, we have, okay, this is a letter just from the company talking about thank you for your order and all that other fun stuff with this here. Okay, now here's something that is different I've not seen before. They actually put a microfiber cloth inside of here, and there's a little spirit level right there. That is pretty cool. Then you have some mounting hardware there as well, which is going to go into the wall. I like this. I had one company a few years back include white gloves, but they seemed more novelty because they didn't fit my big Sasquatch hands. This is cool. So metal prints and acrylic prints are notorious for picking up your paw prints, and they include a little a little microfiber cloth. This I like. It's the small things that really add up. It's like a chocolate on your pillow at a nice hotel's turn down service. Okay, let's take a look at what we got here. Holy smokes. Oh, before I forget. So we have a foam wrapping going around the print here. So that adds a little added protection and business card for the company itself. Holy smokes. Wow. You may recall this was a print that we just did another review a few weeks back. And so we actually used the same print for a number of companies. I have to say, wow. This really pops. Let's see if I can get that glare out of there. And again, unfortunately on camera, seeing this is going to do it absolutely no justice to what this looks like in person. The colors just absolutely pop. The finish looks absolutely extraordinary. Now what I'm doing here is I'm looking through, like I always say over and over again, in some of the larger areas, to see if there's any anomalies or anything like that, which might suggest that a print head is dirty or is mucked up of some sort there. And you can usually see in large areas of color wonkiness, but wow, this looks really, really good. Now, what really makes us really stand out here is this black shadow box that is wrapped around this metal print. And again, it just, when you have a frame like this, the shadow box, it adds such a elegant feel to the print itself. I'm going to put this down right here just so I can just take a closer look at this before we start inspecting the frame or turning this over. And what I'm looking for right now, again, is any sort of artifacts or anything that would stand out. And one thing I'm really digging with this has a soft touch to it or look to this. I really am digging this gloss, this ultra gloss print right here. This looks absolutely stunning. Okay, let's shift focus onto the frame. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at the corners. And this is a company that, it's funny. We've reviewed in the last 6 years a lot of different prints from a lot of different companies that you folks have asked about. And Vivid Metal Prints comes up, and finally we're getting around to testing them. And look at this. Again, the mounting hardware, the hardware that they're using on this. And here's something that I like to see here. On the corners, some metal companies, actually a lot of them, don't put any sort of rubber nubby things on the back of it, or if they do, they'll just put it on the top. I liked it because when you put it up onto a wall, it protects and keeps the print elevated off the wall a little bit. This looks absolutely stunning. And of course, right off the get-go, which you won't see it on camera, you can see that this is Chromalux right here. You can see the badge right there, which that is the type of metal that you want to see people using on print. You know you're getting the quality. You're getting the top shelf good stuff right there. This frame is, dang, this shadow box for this frame right here, this is an absolute unit. This thing is a solid chunk. That's why this thing probably weighed so much coming out of the box there. This looks really, really nice. And then of course you have some very heavy duty steel cable here. This is really fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at the scorecard for this beautiful metal print from Vivid Metal Prints. All right, friends, and that's it for this print review from Vivid Metal Prints. I have to say, this was an absolute talk about a stunning print. And one of the things I do want to point out, while we went with the black shadow box with this particular frame on here, they do have a number of other options on there, but dang, that looks stunning. That looks like $1 million. As cliche as that is, I think these guys did a home run. Packaging was fabulous. The colors on this were spot on. And the presentation, again, why that is so important, especially for those of you that are shipping or drop shipping directly to your clients. When somebody opens a print like this up, this now becomes an extension of you as a professional. Your client is going to be judging you from this print and so forth. So aligning yourself with a print company that really gets it. And again, the curb appeal on this was excellent. And as I mentioned a moment ago, I really dig this. Again, you think you've seen everything. This has a level to ensure that you're getting that up on the wall straight. The microfiber, which I thought was a very nice touch. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put links down below to Vivid Metal prints so you can sample a print for yourself. And while we're creeping up onto the holidays, as I've mentioned over and over again, prints make an extraordinary gift. And it doesn't need to be Christmas. It could be a birthday, anniversary, just because a gift for yourself. I've been preaching about this for years, and many others out there in the space have repeated it and echoed the same thing. Getting your photos printed, from time to time is a great way to secure a fantastic shot, or it acts as a learning tool. It brings you back to that very moment where you shot that. And yeah, Vivid Metal prints did a great job. I was trying to think where I was going to go with this. Either way, they did a great job with this. All right, friends, that's going to be it for this metal print review. I'm going to, again, put links down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comments down below. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.